Hello there, my name is Iswas and welcome to another Blender daily tip. And today we're going to be looking at using booleans, a quick way to use booleans in edit mode. So the standard way of doing booleans is by adding a modifier. So you would have, say you want to add a sphere on top of this object to merge them into one object. Let me scale this down a bit, and also I'll turn on cavity and maybe random colors so that we can easily identify what objects we are using. So the standard way of doing this, you would just use a modifier and add a boolean and then select this object here and change the operation to what you want, maybe union or difference, whatever you want to have, and then apply, and that way you get the boolean you want. But that's a very long process, and if you wanted to have multiple booleans, you would have to repeat the same process over and over. So this is a quick way to do the same thing, but instead of using modifiers, you just do it in edit mode. So let's say we want to do the same things, but you just switch to edit mode and then add whatever object you want. So let's say we want to add a sphere again. Just move it into position where you want it. Let me just put it by the edge here so that we get something different. So if you want to cut this from this, make sure you have the object you want, the cutout object you want to use as the object selected, and then go under faces and select booleans, and you can see it quickly gives you the effect you want. Then you can change the settings you want here, either union, difference, or intersect, and so you don't have to apply any booleans, you don't have to do anything else. You can also still do the same. Let's add a zone monkey here. Just rotate it, maybe something like this. Again, make sure you have the cutout object as the selected object, and then go to faces, boolean cutout, and you can see we have that. So in the last daily tutorial, daily tips, Blender tips that I gave, I show you how to, if you wanted to add subdivisions to this, how to keep or maintain these smooth faces. So, but we're going to use the same technique to create a hard surface from this object while retaining these smooth edges. If you applied a subdivision right now, you'll see that it collapses everything. So I'm just going to add a subdivision bevel modifier. Maybe you just go watch that tip there. So because just go watch that. Thank you for watching, because I don't want to have this as a long video. I want to keep it under 5 minutes. So thank you for watching.